This tutorial video is going to cover Mikogo's Whiteboard feature, which can be used to draw shapes and lines and write text boxes on top of your presentations. Before we get started, please make sure you've downloaded Mikogo to your computer and have entered your username and password into account information. After starting a Mikogo session, open the Whiteboard drawer and annotation tools by clicking the pencil icon. To begin drawing, select a tool from the tools icon. With the freehand drawing tool engaged, I can draw on my screen by clicking and dragging my mouse. When I'm finished drawing, I right-click my mouse to disengage and go back to a regular mouse cursor. If you're on a Mac, Control and mouse click. Next is the line tool. With the line tool engaged, anywhere I click and drag will draw a line on my screen. The next tools in the list are filled and hollow rectangles, ellipses, and arrows. These work similarly to the line tool. Left click and drag to draw a shape on your screen. Again, when you're finished drawing, right click the mouse to return to a regular mouse cursor, or if you're on a Mac, Control and mouse click. Last in the tools dropdown is the laser pointer, which will temporarily display a red dot on your screen when you left click your mouse. The second icon is our color palette, which you can use to select the color of your annotations. The next icon is our strength tool, which you can use to adjust the width of your shape or line. The ABC button is our text tool. Use this to create text fields on top of your presentation. To begin, select the text tool and then click on the area of your screen where you'd like to create a text box. Begin by typing in your text. In the font window, you can select your font type and style. You can resize the text box by clicking and dragging the corner. You can also move it around by clicking the edge. Once you've finished with your note, left-click your mouse anywhere outside of the box to lock the text in place. Next is the eraser tool. You can select Erase All to remove everything that you've drawn or written, or if you only want to erase a portion of the screen, select Eraser, and then left-click and drag to erase. Then right-click, or on a Mac, Control-click to change back to a regular mouse cursor. With the disk icon, you can save a screenshot of your presentation along with the whiteboard annotations. To save a screenshot, click the disk icon. Next, select your preferred save location, a name for the file, and then click Save. The last icon in the whiteboard drawer is the multi-user button, which allows your session participants to draw on your screen while you're presenting without using remote control. To give one of your participants whiteboard access, select their name from the drop-down menu, or select All Users, which gives everybody the ability to use a whiteboard. They will then also have a whiteboard icon appear in their Mikogo panel. Any annotations done by your participants will be visible to everyone in the meeting. Thanks for watching till the end.